Hey, how's it going guys? I'm Dom and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're going to be checking out these. These are the SoundPeats Life earbuds and they are the first earbuds from SoundPeats that I'm trying out with active noise cancelling. And I've got to say, I'm actually quite looking forward to it. Now, up until this point, my daily drivers and absolutely go-to wireless earbuds are the Google Pixel Buds Pro. So it will be very interesting to see how these compare. So let's start by doing a quick unboxing. Now, this is a bit of a unplanned video, so I'm going to do this a little bit different because I'm just going to unbox it in front of you now. So I've got my knife and let's have a look. They're covered in plastic wrap. So yeah, this is what the box looks like, by the way. I mean, I don't even know what the features are like on these, so let's have a closer look. So it says you have active noise cancellation. You got Sound Plus for clear calls. We'll try to test that out, I guess. And you got 12mm dynamic drivers. Yeah. So specification wise, it also comes with Bluetooth version 5.2. So the frequency response rate is between 20 Hz and 20 kHz. The maximum working distance is 10 meters. Um, they state it gives you around 5 hours of playtime or up to 24 hours with the charging case, which I guess is pretty reasonable. And the battery capacity is 40 milliamp hours for the actual earbuds and 460 milliamp hours for the actual charging case. So they seem pretty reasonable, but let's take a closer look at what we get inside. So as usual, inside of the box we get another box, but this time we don't get another box inside it. Okay, interesting. So the packaging is actually pretty standard. You get your app instruction guide there. So it seems that the main features of the app is adaptive EQ, custom EQ. It has 8 preset sound effects, mode switching and volume control. That's all pretty decent actually. And you can also upgrade the firmware that way. So put that to the side. And that's what the earbuds look like. Now I have to admit, and this goes to practically all SoundPeats earbuds that I've tested on this channel, I absolutely love their sense in style. I mean, look at that, especially with that badge. That just looks really nice. So let's have a closer look. Okay, so these do actually look rather large. Let's take a closer look. So the case, the case feels really nice. This is the sort of material it's made out of. Focus in a little bit, but it feels really nice. It's sort of like a fake leather feel. But but with that being said, with that badge, that just looks absolutely stunning to me. So underneath here you have a USB-C cable, which is pretty standard nowadays, but it's still very nice to see. I absolutely can't stand it when manufacturers include micro USB these days anymore, or anything else. So I haven't seen these before, so I'm just going to open these to have a look what they're like. So okay, this is what they look like. They look pretty standard, like any standard wireless earbuds of the day. A little bit like the standard AirPods Pro, but this is what they look like. And I mean, they look really nice, and they do also look nice inside of this case. Put that to the side for a minute. Let's have a closer look at what else we get. So underneath the foamy pad you have a full-on instruction manual, which is pretty standard these days, and you get another box. So that box that you get contains a USB-A to USB-C cable, And you also have a little bag with your ear tips, and you get an additional 2 sets of ear tips. You get a large and a small, and I believe the medium is already applied. So I'm now going to see what it sounds like. I haven't heard them yet. I am unboxing these live, so I don't know what they sound like. Fingers crossed they are decent. But I'll guess I'll be the judge of that. So yeah, I'm now going to pair these with my phone, the Samsung Z Flip 4. And yes, in the UK we say Z Flip. In other countries, I believe you do say Z Flip as well, which is pretty interesting. But yeah, let's see what they are like. So hopefully they are charged. There's a little sticker just down here which I haven't noticed, which says "Remove me." Off you go. Hopefully they're charged. Okay, so they are actually rather comfortable. Yeah, this is what they look like, by the way. They do feel pretty nice in my ears. This is what they look like. So yeah, let's have a go at pairing them. Not really sure how to pair these, how to put them in pairing mode. Hopefully they will find them. Okay, so that's now paired. So let's put some music on. See how surprised I am. What should I listen to? Let's do this. Wow. So now I'm downloading the app. Yeah, I mean, in the default setting, they are actually pretty impressive. I'm just having a look at how much it costs. This really is a review I wasn't expecting to make. Okay, so at present on Amazon, these are $39.99, and you can save 15% with a voucher at the minute, which sounds pretty good. Yeah, so this is the price on Amazon at the minute here in the UK. What can I say? They sound the price, definitely. Let's have a look. So the SoundPeats app has now downloaded and it's launching. Yep, I do agree with the terms and conditions. I've got to admit, I absolutely love their style. It's possibly one of the nicest set of wireless earbuds I've had in a long time. Particularly this case, it just looks nice, and most importantly of all, it's actually robust. I mean, that material there ain't gonna get scratched easily. Okay, so it's now searching for my earbuds, and it's found them. And both of them have at least 90% of battery left, which is pretty good. I really need to clean this phone. Okay, so I'm going to have a look at the equalizer. So it seems to be set to normal mode. I just turned on the active noise cancellation, so can't really test it, to be fair with you. I mean, let's just have a look, see if I can hear a difference. So on normal mode, I can hear my computer on. Yeah, I can hear them. Alexa, hi. Yes, I heard Alexa. Let's try ANC mode. Okay, so with ANC on, I definitely can't hear the fans anymore from my case. Obviously, I can hear my voice. Alexa, hi. yeah, so I'm not sure if you heard that. I just said hi to Alexa, and she was a lot quieter than she was with the normal mode on. I'm not going to try transparency mode. Wow. Oh, that actually works really well. Yeah, I like that. I think the transparency mode on this is actually better than it is on my Google Pixel Buds Pro. That's really good. Wow. So let's have a look at the equalizer. So this is the basic equalizer. So you have your SoundPeats Classic, which is what's enabled by default. You have bass boost, bass reduction, electronic, rock and roll, folk, treble enhancement, pop, and classical music. You also have the ability of doing a custom equalizer, and that's what that looks like. I'm not really a I I'm going to have a look at the default presets. I want to put on bass boost as I'm a huge fan of bass or bass. So let's have a look at a song. Just a song to test it with. Wow. Whoa. I may have put a very bassy song on compared to the first one I was listening to. Yeah, so I guess the song that I used initially wasn't very bassy to begin with, but this second one was extremely bassy, and these provided a very satisfying result. So if you are a fan of decent bass, these are really good for you. But yeah, to summarize my unexpected review, they have a huge thumbs up from me. For that price, for the under 50, they are absolutely a brilliant set of wireless earbuds, and I would highly recommend them. Anyway, if you got this far in this video, leave a comment down below to tell me what wireless earbuds you are using at the minute, and it would mean a lot to me if you could hit the thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel. It really does help small channels like this get noticed by the YouTube algorithm. But anyway, till next time.